Hey everybody, private label law attorney Robert Wright here, and today I'm going to answer the question, how long does your trademark last? Now, we know with Brand Registry 2.0, in order to be a legitimate seller on Amazon, you've got to have a registered trademark because legitimate sellers are brand registered, right? So this trademark, you've got all these people running out getting trademarks, getting trademarks, getting trademarks. How long does it last? Well, here's the cool thing about trademarks. Trademarks, technically speaking, as soon as you take a mark, you put it on your product, you put it into commerce, right? You start selling it, you have trademark rights. Now those rights are limited. They are limited to the geographic areas where you sell. So if you're selling e-commerce, right, you're doing Amazon, you're selling a little bit of everywhere, but not really anywhere, right? You've got some sales in California, some sales in Florida, nothing in Idaho. What's your geographic sphere of influence? So we like to register trademarks because all that geographic scope, all that stuff goes out the window, right? Like we're not worried about California or Idaho or Texas or Florida. They're all great states, but we don't worry about them. We worry about the entire United States because as soon as you're registered, you have the entire United States as your geographic sphere of influence. So you don't have to register a trademark, but you really should. So how long does that last? Well, trademarks are up for renewals effectively every 10 years, right? So every 10 years, you're gonna have to circle with the Patent and Trademark Office, file a little bit of paperwork, raise your hand, let the PTO know you're still there, you're still using the mark, you still want your rights, all that good stuff. The one exception is when you've initially filed in between the 5th and the 6th year, they want you to check in. The Patent and Trademark Office wants you to circle back with them just because you're a new trademark holder. They don't want to wait that full 10 years. They're shrinking it down to that 5 and 6. So just a little bit of paperwork that you'll have to file, small additional fee that you'll have to pay. But I think it's important to note that as all these sellers, as we go out and we register trademarks, everybody's just focused on brand registry. You have to think about the maintenance of the trademark because if that goes away, who's to say brand registry doesn't go away? And that's definitely not something that we want as private label sellers. So I hope that is helpful to you. Hope it makes sense. If you have a trademark, make sure that you're filing all the follow-up paperwork because you don't want to lose it, and happy selling.